Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you a very simple change in Creality Print that is probably going to save you a ton of grief. I don't know why it's not automatically in there. It seems odd to me that they wouldn't put it in there, especially if you're using an S1 that has this particular feature. But nonetheless, they didn't do that. So let's go ahead and jump into Creality Print here. So what I'm after specifically is the auto leveling. For whatever reason, when I selected my Ender 3 S1 Pro in here, it didn't have auto leveling enabled. And I scoured all over this program trying to figure out how to make that work. Apparently it's not in here. But I'm going to show you a very simple solution. Literally takes 15 seconds to do. So what you got to do is you got to head up to Tools on the left-hand side. Manage printers, scroll on over here down to G code, and all you need to do right under G92 reset extruder is put in G29 auto level, but make sure you put it in the middle here, because if you put it up here it's going to screw it all up when it resets the extruder. So you want it after. So what it will do here now is it will move over to the center, essentially home itself in the center, and then go over and start the auto level process. So that's all you need to do. Simple as that. It was 15 seconds. Click save. You're good to go. And I've already tested it out on a few prints. It's golden. So if you like what you've seen here, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.